Which category?
Trigonometry 30.
Trigonometry for 30 points. Let's see the question. All right. Identify the value that is equivalent to cosine of 27 degrees. Identify the value that is equivalent to cos of 27 degrees. Your 30 seconds starts now. You choose B. All right. Let's see if they're correct. Is B equivalent to cos of 27? You
B.
You can't change your answer anyway, unfortunately. It's the first answer that we have to take. So, lucky for you, B is correct. Because remember, complementary angles, the two angles should add up to 90, and the sine of one is equal to the cosine of its complement. So, they're equal. 90, 27 plus 63 gives you 90. Alright? Anybody else? Everybody good on that one? Sine and cos of complementary functions? Alright, great. Back to the board. And then it's D and K's time. So they need to get their points. Yeah. 30 and 20 for 30 for 30. They didn't get enough. 0. 0. You don't get it yet. She said 0. Oh, she for them last two. It's just this one. Yeah, but they
We didn't even
get Oh, triple J. Yeah. It's the C. That's what I was trying. I thought in it. That's why I wanted to go. I wanted to go that way. So it's easier for me to. You don't cross out the topping, so they don't use it again. Yeah, but it's not allowing me. So I know that trig 20 and 30 are gone. Let's hope it can't. I didn't think of that feature. All right. Oh, put the X on the board. Good. So that's gone and that's gone. Perfect.
D and K, who's that?
Congruence 30.
Congruence $30 or 30 points. Here's your question. Melissa needs to translate a figure 6 units to the right and 2 units down. Which of the following rules correctly represents that translation? D. She said D. Let's see if D is correct. D is correct because 6 to the right is the X plus 6 and 2 down is Y, subtract 2. Your left and down and your up and right. Yeah, so you can pick it. They will repeat themselves if they pick it. Alright. Return to the board. So we go back. So they got 30. So we're now at L squared. L squared, you have 3 less options. That's what's the point. I thought all the 50s would be gone by now.
Trigonometry 50.
Trigonometry 50. All right, let's see what your question is. Write which equation correctly solves for x in triangle RST. Which equation correctly solves for x? Is it A, B, C, or D? So you're finding x, the length of the hypotenuse. Which equation correctly solves it? Set it up. You have 30 seconds to make your decision. You all can work. You all should be working it too. You ready? All right. What's your answer choice? Is it A, B, C, or D?
I don't know.
Say something. It's multiple choice. You think it's C, x equal cos of 47. Let's see if C.
No, never mind.
You already picked, so we're gonna see if C is correct and why or why not. So the first thing, did you label up your side with your opposite adjacent hypotenuse?
Yes.
Good. So it is cos, but it's C correct? No, because it's just the way it's set up. So the cos of the angle is the adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's 11 over x. So cos of 47 equal 11 over x. Then you cross multiply, so you're dividing. So you're going to put that over 1, top by bottom, x times cos 47 is equal to 11. So to get x by itself, you divide both sides by cos of 47, cos of 47, and that's how you end up with 11 over cos 47. Okay, this is all. Alright? So the correct answer would have been A. Good?
Could we add 15 more seconds to
So good. So you want more time for the workout ones? Alright, so we can do that. We can do 15 more seconds if it's a so we could do is if it's 30 or above, you get 45 seconds instead of 30. Because they are the more challenging questions. Alright, we can do that. And then we do the 30, 31, 30. That's it.
That's if they pick it.
Yes, if they picked it.
Clicking always. Bro,
45. Alright, so I'm sending it at 45, then I'll cut it off. So if you won't get to, I'll just tell you when for the 30-second one, I'll stop you when it gets to 30. Hopefully I remember. Alright? Or we could just use 45 throughout. So let's return to the board. And this one is gonna be Double Jeopardy. So the Double Jeopardy question, I am gonna pick the category, and whatever the amount is will be doubled. So everybody who answers it correctly has the chance. Oh, they didn't score. So we good. Everybody has the chance of getting it correct. So the category is, and I'm gonna do, make it easy, 80 points. I'm gonna do trigonometry 40. So you're gonna get 80. Change the category. I'm gonna do 2D and 3D figures, and I'm gonna do 40. So you still get 80 points. Double jeopardy. Here is the question, and you will have 45 seconds to work it out. Write down your answer. Once the buzzer goes off, one member of the group will hold up the paper with your answer. Okay? So let me clear the board so you don't have too many distractions. Are we ready for Double Jeopardy? 2D, 40. Double points, 80. Let's roll. Question is, which figure shows the cross-section of the pyramid parallel to its base? Which figure shows the cross-section of a pyramid parallel to its base?
You got
Write it down on the paper. Write it down. A, B, C, or D, or draw.
Write it on the paper.
Already did.
Okay, so
Okay,
wait.
good. Just hide it. This is a easy 40 points, and you all were staying away from the category. You're gonna hold it up. I can't tell if it's right or wrong, so I'm just looking that you have something written down. What's that? All right. So we have. I didn't see yours, Najee. What was yours? Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 C's and a B. The correct answer is C. Yes, 3 C's and a B. So
Only time.
all right. Next question. You're gonna pick now. We're back at Triple J's. Yeah. Return to board. Triple J's. You have less options, more fun. What's your choice? Trigonometry for 40. Let's see what it's saying. Ready? Go. It says choose the equation that could be used to determine B from that question. Your 45 seconds start now. Choose the equation that could be used to solve for B. Dum, 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 You think it's B? D as in dog? Okay, let's see if D is correct. Still have time, but you pick D and you are correct. Alright? Opposite over adjacent, so it has to be tan. Alright? Very good. So Triple J got 40. Alright. Next category is for sis. Construction 10. Alright, it says first watch the video, so this is a multifaceted question. Then answer the question.
That's like 40.
What is this?
You're right.
40. What letter this one?
What, did I click 10? Hold on.
Return back to.
Return to board. Let's try to click 10. Let's see it again. Yeah. But it says 40. But that's okay. You'll get 40. Don't worry. You get 40, so we're gonna watch the little video clip.
So that's construction.
That you're right. It's an easy question, but the fact that it says 40, you'll get 40. Okay?
Video.
So yes, so you're gonna ask you from the construction, is the correct answer gonna be A 60 degrees angle, a bisector of PQ, and you can have more than one answer. So let's go to the video. Don't buffer.
Well, we get the point. It don't work.
It works. I told you I was gonna fix it last night, and I did. You should be saying, job well done. You just know it's slow. That's all.
I didn't get 300 points.
Who?
You said you heard.
6th period was working. 300. We have more. Don't we have more than that for one period?
But it ain't work. So how did they get 3 that much?
She probably got it working for them.
It was individual, so we were able to go back and forth. We don't have speakers, so just observe. Basically, they're asking you what are you what is true about this construction. That's the midpoint. So they've constructed something, and they're asking you about which of the answers correspond with that. So we're gonna go back to the actual PowerPoint, and I'm gonna read the questions to you. It says, for his first construction, Jericho made the markings shown with the compass open to a length less than the length of the segment PQ. Jericho's markings are useful for the construction of which of the following listed? Which of these did it help him to do? Did he construct A, a 60 degrees angle, B, a bisector of PQ, and he says select all that apply, so it could be more than one,